ओम नमः शिवाय मोर स्नेहर छात्र छात्री माने दीपुसर ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल को स्वागत करुछि। आज पिला माने +2 सेकेंड आर्ट्स कॉमर्स साइंस पिला मानक पई मु इंग्लिश रो गोटे सुंदर वीडियो आज प्रस्तुत करिछि जाकि तुम मानक सहित आलोचना करिवि। आगु पिला माने हमरो इंग्लिश रे बोर्ड एग्जाम अछि, तेनु सेही बोर्ड एग्जाम को आखि आगे रखी मु प्रोज रो जो हमरो चारोटी विषय रहिछि ऑन एग्जामिनेशन, portrait of lady, the magic of teamwork, development of polio machine, এই চারটি বিষয়ের মু বছা বছা এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন তৈরি করেছি যাকি তোমানক সহিত আলোচনা করিবি। কারণ এই বর্ষ এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন পরীক্ষার পড়িব এবং তা সহিত 2 মার্কিয়া বি ଅଛି। তেণু এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন গুড়া আমি যদি শিখি পারিবা তাহলে 2 মার্কিয়া মধ্যে করি পারিবা। তেণু পরীক্ষা কো আখি আগে রখি পিলা মানে মু গোটিয়ে ভিডিওরে 4টা বিষয়র এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন ডিসকশন করুছি। কারণ আমার মাই গ্রেটেস্ট অলিম্পিক প্রাইজ যেটা জেসি ওয়ান্স লেখলে এটা ইন্টরনাল পড়ি যাইছে, সেতিমি আর 4টি রহিলা মু গোটিয়ে পরে গোটিয়ে বিষয় ডিসকশন করছি। প্রথমে কে ডিসকশন করিবা ওন এক্সামিনেশন, তা রাইটর অছন্তি উইনস্টন চার্চিল। প্রথম কোশ্চেন দি অথর অফ দি ওন এক্সামিনেশন ইজ ড্যাশ, आंसर होची উইনস্টন চার্চিল। চার্চিল ওয়াজ born in ড্যাশ, उत्तर पिला मन होची 1874 1874। The public school where he took admission is dash, जो पब्लिक स्कूल से एडमिशन हेतले तार नाम होची हरो पब्लिक स्कूल। 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन द नेम ऑफ चर्चिल्स ऑटोबायोग्राफी इज डैश, पिला मन देखो चर्चिल को जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी थला तार नाम होची ए रविंग कमीशन माय अर्ली लाइफ। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए रविंग कमीशन माय अर्ली लाइफ वाज पब्लिश्ड, प्रकाशित होता 1930 रे। When Churchill entered the inhospitable regions of examination, he was dash, को वर्ष होता ना 12 years old. He was destined to read there for dash, के दिन पढ़ी दे छटी ना 7 years। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन चर्चिल लाइक टू बी एग्जामिन्ड इन dash, चर्चिल को विषय रे परीक्षा दो पई चाहुतले, उत्तर होची हिस्ट्री, poetry and writing essay। 9 number question the examiners were partial to dash, उत्तर होची Latin and mathematics। 10 number question the examiners always wanted to ask what the author did not know। 11 number question where Churchill would have willingly displayed his knowledge, answer the teacher sought to expose his ignorance। 12 number छक होची the headmaster of Harrow public school was dash, जे हारो पब्लिक स्कूल हेडमास्टर किए थे ना डॉक्टर वेल्डन। चर्चिल was unable to answer a single question in dash, को पेपर किछि लेखि पारि नथिले, उत्तर होची लैटिन पेपर। What did he write in the answer book for the Latin paper, उत्तर होची he could make only a small blot and several smudges on the answer sheet। 15 number question what was the reason for Churchill's not doing well in the examination, कौन पाई से परीक्षा रे भलो करि पर नथले, उत्तर all the above। it was a great trial for him, he was not examined from his favorite subject, questions were not asked from what he know। 16 number question the set spectacle for the author was dash, he was not able to answer even a single question in the Latin paper। 17 number कहिछि the writer position in the merit list for admission was dash, जे राइटर को पोजीशन एडमिशन को उधार थला ना he was placed in the 3rd division of the 4th। 18 number question he gives the credit for his success in the entrance examination, से एंट्रेंस सक्सेस पई कहा को क्रेडिट देथिले ना the headmaster डॉक्टर वेल्डन। 19 नंबर the custom of calling the roll at horror रे को टाइप रो रोल नंबर डका जाउतला ना ए horror at horror students would file first a master in the schoolyard and answer one by one। 20 नंबर छुआ students taught Latin and Greek at horror where the clever student माने केवल लाटिन और ग्रीक पढ़ुतले। What did the writer do to the boy standing in his meditative posture? The writer stealthily came behind him and pushed him in the pool. पानी की पेल देते से छुआ को. What was the reaction of the boy? He was very angry with the Frank. The writer came to know that Ameri was dead in the sixth form. The writer was guilty of paying a franc because कौन पे guilty होना बोले ना Ameri was his senior and a boy of enormous strength, fame and reverence. Position number Ameri was senior to Churchill. केते वर्ष senior थे ना 3 वर्ष 3 years. Ameri was dead, the Secretary of State for India in Churchill's cabinet. The Secretary of State for India in Churchill's cabinet. Ameri was junior to Churchill in days, the stature. The position of the writer at school, he was counted amongst the dances and stupidized boys. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଓନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନର ବଛା ବଛା ମିଶିକି ଆଲୋଚନା କଲି। ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ଦି ପୋର୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲେଡି କୁସୁମନ୍ତ ସିଂଙ୍କର। Portrait of lady ର ପ୍ରଥମ MCQ क्वेश्चन ଦି ଅଥର ଅଫ ଦି portrait lady is dash ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି କୁସୁମନ୍ତ ସିଂ। 2 ନମ୍ବର क्वेश्चन ଦି lady portrait in the story is dash ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି grandmother। The grandmother in the portrait hung on the wall looked like dash she ଉତ୍ତର old long white beard on big turban ଆଉ ଥରେ କହୁଛି old long white beard on big turban. Grandmother looked बुढ़ीमा की पर देखते ना old short slightly bent and fat B option. The author's parent left him with his grandmother when he child ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ he was a child ଥିଲେ ତ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ମା ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଢ଼ୀମା ପାଖରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ। 6 number the animal grandmother used to feed in the village days ଗାଁର ଯୋଉ ଜୀବଜନ୍ତୁ ବୁଢ଼ୀମା ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦଉଥିଲେ କଣ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦଉଥିଲେ ନା କେଉଁ ଆନିମାଲକୁ ନା ଡଗ୍ କୁ ଦଉଥିଲେ। 7 number the parent of the author were living in days ଯେ ଅଥରଙ୍କର ବାପା ମା କୋଉଠି ବାସ କରୁଥିଲେ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ସିଟି। In the temple grandmother was days grandmother ମନ୍ଦିରରେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ନା reading scriptures ନା doing meditation ନା singing religious prayers ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି reading scriptures। The author went to study in the city in days जो author ମାନେ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ जो ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଗଲେ କେବେ ମାନେ sorry the author went to study in the city in days English school in motor bus by walking Hindu school उत्तर होची English school in motor bus। The grandmother went to school with the author because कहीं की तांको सहित जाउतले ना the school was attached to the temple A option the school was attached to the temple। In the courtyard of the city house grandmother used to feed sparrows। 12 number grandmother after listening the things taught in the English school becomes unhappy because she could not help the writer with this lesson A option the बुढ़ीमा she could not help the writer with the lesson। The common link of friendship was suspended when the writer went to university went up in foreign trip married उत्तर होची went to university। The grandmother died उत्तर होची peacefully telling beads lying on the bed। 15 number question why did the grandmother keep one hand on her waist उत्तर होची B to balance her stop। 16 number question the narrator had known his grandmother to be old and wrinkled for days उत्तर होची C 20 years। The portrait of grandmother was hanging in the dash ड्राइंग रूम। 18 नंबर व्हाट डिड द ऑथर ईट फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट? ब्रेकफास्ट रे कौन खाउतले? उत्तर होची थिक एंड स्टेल चपाती with a little butter and sugar spread on it. 19 नंबर the author treated the stories of grandmother's youth and beauty as days fables. 20 नंबर question what did the grandmother spend her afternoon every day? आफ्टरनून ले ग्रैंडमदर किपरि तांकर समय अतिबाहित करथले? उत्तर होची by feeding hundreds of sparrows. 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट चेंज केम इन द ग्रैंडमदर इवनिंग टाइम? उत्तर होची शी कलेक्टेड द वुमेन ऑफ द नेबरहुड. 22 नंबर व्हाट डिड द ग्रैंडमदर स्पेंड हर टाइम इन द सिटी? उत्तर होची स्पिनिंग द व्हील वा स्पाइनिंग द व्हील. 23 नंबर व्हाट डिड द विलेज प्राइस्ट टीच द स्टूडेंट्स? पिलावन कोन पढौतले? Alphabet and morning prayer. What is the meaning of words chorus? उत्तर होची we in a group. What was the grandmother doing inside the temple when the author was studying in the temple veranda? उत्तर होची reading scriptures. पिलामान देखो वर्तमान मो प्रोटेक्ट ऑफ लेडी रो समस्त एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना कली. एबे पिला माने हमें आलोचना करिबा द मैजिक ऑफ टीम वर्क. पिला माने वर्तमान में डिस्कशन करिबा प्रोज रो लास्ट चैप्टर लास्ट चैप्टर में 4 नंबर चैप्टर छ द मैजिक ऑफ टीम वर्क. तर राइटर होचनी साम पिट्रोडा. प्रथम क्वेश्चन पिला माने लैक ऑफ टीम वर्क इन इंडिया इज डैश. देखो पिला माने उत्तर मु येलो कलर रे माचो ठीक मार दीची. उत्तर होची ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉनिक. दैट वन इंडियन वाज इक्वल टू 10 जापानीज वाज डैश ए मिथ. 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंडिया इनहेरिट्स ए सोशल सिस्टम कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय डैश फ्यूडलिज्म एंड हिरार्की. 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन मॉडर्न सोसाइटी नीड्स डैश. उत्तर होची स्पेशलिस्ट और एक्सपर्ट्स. America is an object of the writer's dash appreciation. 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि व्हाट काउंट्स मोस्ट इन ग्रुप वर्क इज डैश. आउ तो क्वेश्चन कहिछि व्हाट काउंट्स मोस्ट इन ग्रुप वर्क इज डैश ए नीन इनसाइट इनटू द मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि गुड टीम प्लेयर नॉन नोज नो. टीम प्लेयर कौन जानी थी? उत्तर होची वैनिटी एंड फ्लैटरी बा बोथ बी एंड सी. 8 नंबर अचीविंग टोटल एग्रीमेंट इज डैश. उत्तर होची इम्पॉसिबल. 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए गुड वर्क कल्चर कॉल्स फॉर डैश एफिनिटी बिटवीन वर्ड्स एंड डीड्स. 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट कम्स नेचुरली टू आवर माइंड when we were assigned a task together? उत्तर होची हिरार्की बा हायरार्की लेकिन भी चलिबो. 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु इज ए गुड टीम प्लेयर? किए गुड टीम प्लेयर? उत्तर होची हु शोज रेस्पेक्ट टू अदर्स, टॉलरेट्स डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू एंड शोज विलिंगनेस टू गिव एंड रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि which is important for beginning a piece of work? Which is important for beginning a piece of work? उत्तर होची to begin work forthwith on agreed upon aspects. 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि what the writer likes is. उत्तर होची diversification of task. 14 नंबर to build teams in our system is dash. To build team in our system is Herculean. 15 number in India it is very difficult to trace out dash good players na favorable groups na good losers. उत्तर होची good losers. A senior position needs dash A senior position needs capability. The writer always gives priority to dash. Writer सबले कहाँ पर को priority देते हैं ना team work पर. Team interaction always fall apart when dash. ना good teams to get created. अब तो जो देखो team interaction always fall apart when good teams do get created. 19 number, what do you mean by the expression playing second fiddle? उत्तर होची to be in subordinate position to someone. 20 number question, the larger goal of the team as a whole is dash. The larger goal of the team as a whole is dash. उत्तर होची above individual or personal agendas. 21 number, who is the author of the topic the magic of teamwork? Answer होची Sam Pitroda. What is the key problem affecting India progress? उत्तर होची effective implementation of policies. The writer attitude towards inefficient workers is dash. उत्तर होची critical. What matters most for the senior position in a corporate hierarchy? उत्तर होची capability. 25 number question पिला माने कहिछि what was the author intention behind often criticism? Answer होची for benefit of all present and learn from individual mistake. How does a person react if you criticize him in a group? जेतोल गोटे पर्सन रिएक्ट करिवो जेतोल तुमे ग्रुप रे ताऊ क्रिटिसाइज करिवो. आंसर जो assumes it as a personal criticism. Why is it difficult to build teams in our country? Answer होची nobody wants to be seen playing second fiddle. 28 number question, what is the Japanese came to India? Japanese कहीं भारत को आस्ते ना to develop the Maruti Suzuki car. What does the expression the graph mentality mean? उत्तर होची the mentality of dragging someone down if they are climbing higher to achieve more. Group work always requires उत्तर होची a thorough understanding of the strength and weakness of individual irrespective of their hierarchy. 31 number question से कहिछि for effective teamwork what should be the member of a team learn? Answer is how to exercise and follow leadership simultaneously. 32 number पिला माने a good team player should have dash. Answer is respect for others, tolerance for different points of view, and the ability to resolve conflicts without either showing egoism and psychopathy. To begin a work, what is the most important thing to remember? ଯେତେବେଳେ କାମ ଆମେ କରିବା ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ରିମେମ୍ବର କରିବା ଉଚିତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି to begin work on the agreed upon aspects. A good team player often clear and honest without any hidden agendas. C dot is abbreviate expression for the Telecom Technology Development Center of the Government India. C dot means the Telecom Technology Development Center of Government of India. 36 number question कहछि the job of the writer driver Ram was dash to drive car carefully and to open the door for the writer whenever he entered or exited by existed to the car. So in this number, what was the Ram reaction when the writer asked him not to open the door of the car for him? He started crying, saying that it was his job to do so. Last question, the larger goal of the team as a whole is dash above individual or personal desire. आउटर को देखो, the larger goal of the team as a whole is above individual or personal desire. बर्तमान पिला माने the magic of teamwork रो समस्त MC क्वेश्चन आलोचना कली. एबे हमें लास्ट चैप्टर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पोलियो वैक्सीन्स रो समस्त MC क्वेश्चन एबे आलोचना करबा. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पोलियो वैक्सीन प्रथम एमसी क्वेश्चन पोलियो ब्रोक आउट इन अमेरिका इन डेज 1920 1921 1934 1923 उत्तर होची 1921 रूजवेल्ट फील्ड ए प्रेरी टू डेज ऑप्शन इन्फ्लुएंजा हंटिंग पोलियो नन ऑफ दिस उत्तर होची पोलियो द परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल अफेक्टेड बाय पैरालिटिक फ्रॉम ऑफ पोलियो इज डेज 2 3 1 उत्तर होची 1 people showing symptoms of muscular paralysis can be dash option A hopeful hopeless all of these उत्तर होची hopeful 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिची रूजवेल्ट्स पॉलिटिकल कैरियर वाज dash ruined short lived distinguished none of these उत्तर होची distinguished polio was not so deadly as dash influenza plague both A and B none of these उत्तर होची both A and B vaccine developed for polio dates back to days 1900s early 1900s 1901 none of these उत्तर होची early 1900s The march of dimes came into existence thanks to Dash, a respected researcher, a specialist, Roosevelt. उत्तर होची Roosevelt. What percentage of infected people affected by polio does actually suffer seriously? After question to discussion करची. What percentage infected people affected by polio does actually suffer seriously? ऑप्शन 5% 10% 15% 1% आंसर हो पिला माने 1%। 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट आर फ्रीक्वेंटली एक्सपोज्ड टू पोलियो वायरस ऑप्शन सीनियर सिटीजन चिल्ड्रन मिडिल एज वुमेन उत्तर हो चिल्ड्रन। 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने व्हिच अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट Which American presidents spearheaded the fight against polio? Option Joe Biden, Richard Nixon, Franklin Roosevelt, Donald Trump. उत्तर होची Franklin Roosevelt. Did polio affect the political career of American President Mr. Roosevelt? Option yes, no, cannot tell. उत्तर होची no. 13 number question when did early attempts for polio vaccine are made 1900 1920 1957 उत्तर होची 1900 who is the authors of development of polio vaccine option Louis Pasteur Jesse Owens Sam Pitroda Bonne M Okonek and Linda Morgenstein उत्तर होची पिला माने C option Bonne M Okonek and Linda Morgenstein 15 number question when did polio mellitus flag America option 1915 1921 1914 1939 उत्तर होची 1921 what are the early symptoms of polio attack option jaundice flu like symptoms blurred vision unexplained weakness उत्तर होची flu like symptoms what are the hazards of polio attack option neurological disorder psychotic disorder उत्तर होची neurological disorder 18 number question 1963 witnessed the availability of dash after question repeat करछो 1963 witnessed the availability of dash Salk vaccine different vaccine for polio Bruce vaccine उत्तर होची Bruce vaccine 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि what are the two form of polio option Salk vaccine different vaccines of polio spinal form and bulbar form उत्तर होची spinal form and bulbar form 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि name the immunologist who first discovered the polio vaccine option Albert Bruce Sabin Dr. Jonas Salk Ronald Ross हेनरी डुनांट उत्तर होची बी ऑप्शन डॉक्टर जोनास सक हु इन्वेंटेड द ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन हु इन्वेंटेड द ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन ऑप्शन ए अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग डॉक्टर जोनास सक अल्बर्ट ब्रूस सबिन उत्तर होची अल्बर्ट ब्रूस सबिन हाउ वाज द सक वैक्सीन गिवन हाउ वाज द सक वैक्सीन गिवन ऑप्शन वैक्सीन इंजेक्शन oral drops through blood infusion oral drug administrations उत्तर होची हाउ वाज द सक वैक्सीन गिवन उत्तर होची वैक्सीन इंजेक्शन हाउ वाज सबिन वैक्सीन इंजेक्शन oral drops through blood infusion method oral tablets उत्तर पिला मन होची सबिन वैक्सीन जेटा oral drops उत्तर होची oral drops in which year polio was declared eradicated in America in which year polio was declared eradicated in America option 1990 1993 2000 1994 उत्तर होची 1994 25 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहछि इन 1921 पोलियो अटैक्ड इन अमेरिका इट अटैक्ड आउ द रिपीट करछु क्वेश्चन इन 1921 पोलियो अटैक्ड इन अमेरिका इन अटैक्ड ओनली द पोर ओनली द रिच ओनली द मिडिल क्लास उत्तर होछि बोथ द रिच एंड पोर जे पोलियो अटैक्ड हेतला अमेरिका रे 1921 रे इट अटैक्ड बोथ द रिच एंड पोर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन What were heartbreaking scenario in the early 1950s? Option A: mass death of polio affected people, poster of children on crutches, terrifying outbreak of an epidemic, posters of children on crutches or in iron links, and the conversion mechanical heads. उत्तर होची D: poster of children on crutches or in iron links and the conversion mechanical heads. 27 number question, what is the polio caused by? Water pollution, severe mosquito bites, 3 strains of quite stable virus that are the part of the enterovirus family. उत्तर होची C: the 3 strains of quite stable virus that are the part of enteroviro family. 28 number question, RNA रो full form कौन? Option rare numbers articles, recto numeral advances, ribonucleic acid. उत्तर होची ribonucleic acid. RNA full form होची ribonucleic acid. What do you mean by booster? What do you mean by booster? Option A: second dose of medicine given in strengthen the earlier dose. Number B option, and second dose of medicine given increase immunity in child's body. Third option, an extra dose of medicine to neutralize the earlier doses. उत्तर होची A, जे booster means होची a second dose of medicine given to strengthen the earlier dose. 29 number question, the World Health Organization set a goal of eradication of poliomyelitis from the entire world by the year 2001 1999 उत्तर होची 2000 पिला माने वर्तमान मु प्रोज रो समस्त एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना कली ऑन एग्जामिनेशन प्रोटेक्ट ऑलरेडी द मैजिक ऑफ टीम वर्क डेवलपमेंट पोलियो वैक्सीन्स पिला मन देखो वीडियो जदी भल लागि थाए निहाती लाइक करिवो कमेंट करिवो एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवो एवं सांग मान को शेयर करियो भूलिबो।